Hello, this is Ifyajin for Ankara again on our happiness challenge, day 10. Today's challenge is to list 10 things that you're good at, 10 things you do well, 10 things you are known for, 10 things that you pride yourself in. What could that be? You know what it is. And please don't tell me you cannot name 10 reputable, good, bad, ugly, indifferent things about you. Do not beat yourself up and do not talk yourself down, because you are fearfully and wonderfully made, and everything about you is good. And God makes no mistakes, and God don't create junk. You are who God intended for you to be. So quicken yourself up and list 10 solid things you can do well, and you don't even have to think about it. Could it be you just talking to people you love, just picking up people's energy and giving them a word of affirmation and a word of encouragement? Could it be that you cook well? Could it be that you were a good conversationalist? Could it be that you are always present in your loved one's life? Could it be that you write well, you sing well? What is it about you? Write them down. Write 10 solid good things about you, bad or the ugly. It doesn't matter. Give yourself that permission and reflect on those and speak life into those, and let's strengthen those 10 things that you're good at. We're gonna profess over it. We're gonna speak life into it. We're gonna activate and ginger it so it will harness our personality. Today's challenge on our 40-day happiness challenge, on day 10, I encourage you to write 10 solid things about you. Don't confide in someone about this. This is just you. Sit in your closet, in your car, on your couch, on the floor, anywhere that will help you birth the 10 things about you. Please write them down and pay attention to them, because God innately gave you those values and attributes for a reason. Bring them out, put it where you would see it every day, and let's speak over it. Today, your challenge is that. Write them down. This is Ifyajin for Ankara. We'll see you in the next day.